to Eternal Easy Education. In this session, you are going to learn Chapter 6, Word Processor. Content of this video is text formatting. So, formatting the text and paragraph part, we are going to learn about text formatting. A text without any special formatting gives a monotonous appearance. That means it will be very plain. So make it colorful and attractive. We are going to use text formatting. So the OpenOffice Writer offers number of choices for formatting like bold, italic, and defining the font type, how the font size should be. Everything can be formatted in text formatting, and it is present in the format menu. So changing the font is a set of characters in a particular style. It's a one mark. Changing the default appearance of the text, like changing the font type, size, color, type, font type, and the size and color, style, etc. are called text formatting. 2-mark question. What does text formatting? So the bold shortcut is Ctrl plus B, italic Ctrl plus I, underline Ctrl plus U. Then font type is the style of the font. There are many names. We can select and find it. Then font size is the given in points. Then font color icon will give the color to the text. And this is all present in format character. Then it will give a dialog box. Now we'll see. There is a line. I'm selecting the line. We will have many copies. Then only we will feel the changes in the text. Now select a word processing word. Then go to format. Select character. A dialog box will appear. So here the font name is given. If I change the name, can you see the preview here? Here it will show how that letters will appear. So we can check then regular italic bold, then size of the letter. So this is an Algerian font type of size 26, and it is normal, no bold, italic or underlined. Then we will select another word. Here itself, in the formatting tool itself, we are changing the name, changing the size, and changing it bold. So the text formatting can be done using menus as well as in the toolbar, italic and underline. Even we can change the color of the text using the font color icon. So this is easiest way to format the given text. So in a particular place, we can give any number of style to a character, even give multi colors. Everything is possible. Then changing case. Changing case means we can change a particular line to completely upper characters, completely smaller characters, or toggle, or sentence case. Only the first letter of the sentence is capital. Capitalize every word is first letter of each word is capitalized. Then lowercase, completely everything to lowercase. This is present in format change case. So format change case, all the options are present. First we will select a particular word. I'm selecting a particular sentence, welcome to chapter. Then go to change case, select sentence case. So only the first letter of that sentence is caps. See here, it is capital letter. But here it is changed to small letter because we have selected sentence case. Sentence case means only the first letter of the sentence should be capital. Then lowercase. All the letters are in small letter. Then uppercase. All the letters are in capital letter. Then capitalize means each word with capital letter. So T is capital, C is capital. Then toggle means opposite. Each letter, first letter is small, others are caps. So it would be very funny. So you can select as per your wish. Then highlighting the text. Highlighting the text means highlighting can be applied to the selecting text by clicking the highlighting icon. To remove it, we can click no fill from the color palette. Usually we do the highlights to give importance to a particular point. So select the text or line which you want to highlight. Go to that icon, select a color. You can select any color from the color palette. If you don't want means select the same text, go to that icon, select no fill. The highlight is removed. So this is the way how to highlight and how to remove the highlighted text. Clearing the formatting. So a text format can be cleared by selecting all using Ctrl A and using the shortcut. Using the shortcut Ctrl+M, you can clear the applied text formatting. So you have learned text formatting in this video. Thank you. Have a good day.